Hello, my name is Mr. Rousseau, or as you'll come to know me, TR. I am your teacher and I will be helping you work through this Dreamcatcher course. Now, when you log in to D2L and you click on your Calm C Dreamcatcher link, this is the page that you will see. We start by going to the announcements. I'm going to open the announcements. You will see announcements that are dated to be opened. So if we scroll down, you will see that I've got a thoughtful reply announcement, and that will open on the 2nd of December. So let's just scroll down, and we've got a GSA News, and that's going to open on the 29th, Human Sexuality on the 28th, the Turnitin Plagiarism software. You will see this announcement on the 27th. Accessing your email, you'll see that on the 26th. Read and Write Gold, you'll see that on the 25th. How to convert files with pages, key, or numbers to Microsoft Office documents. This announcement will appear on the 22nd. How your course mark is determined, that will appear on the 19th. Completion certificate. Now, many of you will be doing the essentials for online learning. Once you successfully complete those assignments, you will receive this announcement in your course. If you have already taken the essentials course, please send me documentation or proof that you have, and I will give you credit for this, and you will be able to move forward with your course. And the important Welcome to Calm and Jobs. Now this announcement, you will see this on the 14th of November, and what it does is it talks to you about what's going to happen in our course. So I'm telling you that you will have a private discussion, and you use this to communicate with me. Note, I do not respond to student emails because we have the private discussions, and I will show you where that is. You are encouraged to work ahead. Please note that we do have unit due dates, and these are set up in a checklist, and I will open that link for you and show you the due dates that you need to be aware of. So job 1 is to watch this video. Job 2 is to read all the announcements and or private discussions that have been posted, and I will show you where your private discussions will be located. Job 3 is the second content page in the first module, and we have videos there, and I will ask you to look at those videos, especially if you're new to online learning or you need a refresher. So let's start by looking at the content. Once you've done all the announcements and private discussions, we go to content. You click on that link, and what's going to appear for you, once D2L gets going, is the content pages. You can see the content pages are located here on the left bottom of your page. You're going to start on your essentials. You're going to go to the first content page, posting to a discussion. Carefully read all of the information, watch any video, and go to the very bottom, and it tells you what you need to do for this assignment. Now, notice, upon successful posting this discussion, the marking of your post, and receiving 100% of your post, you will be able to receive the next content page, which is file management and savings. So unless you get 100% in posting to a discussion, you're not going to see this file management and saving and uploading. Very important. All of the essentials are locked in so that in order to see the next page, so after you do file management, there's time management. If we scroll down to the bottom of time management, you'll see it says that you must have 100% on this assignment, and then you're going to be able to see the quizzes. That essentials, these content pages are going to help you, and believe me, that many of you will really appreciate knowing how to use these these assignments. Once you've completed the essentials, you're going to go to Module 1 Introduction. You'll click on this main page here, and it takes you to the first lesson. And here's that second content page, Challenges. And you'll notice here that I have videos for you to take a look at if you're not sure what to do with the assignments. Work through these content pages sequentially. Do not skip, do not skim content pages. You will find that if you work through them, it just works so much better. It's just been our experience that that's how it works. Next, checklist. We'll click on the checklist, and we'll click on Dreamcatcher checklist. You click on that link, and if you scroll down, you will see the assignment and you will see the due date. Now, I may be changing these, but when it is your turn or when it's your time, you will see that these due dates. Now, these due dates are important. I am flexible if you communicate with me, but if you don't, then challenges will arise for you because we do have a very, very clear engagement policy. Discussions, when you click on this link, you should see the essentials and the Calm Discussions assignment. You will also see, and I haven't done them yet, you'll also see private discussions, and you will be able to communicate with me using these private discussions. If we click on the assignments folders, when you have an assignment that's due, say your file management assignment, you will click on this link and you will submit that file here in this folder. And if we scroll down, we see the different modules. Each of these links means that you must submit an assignment to me for evaluation. Now, these links will take you to a folder. These folders are connected to the grade, so that means that you must submit the assignment in the folder that it's designed for. Next are your grades. And this will not be very super clear, but I'm just going to show you Manage Grades. And these are the different places where you will see what your grade is. Okay? And then we're going to go to Quizzes. These are the different quizzes you've got, so when you're going to do your quiz, you'll click on the link and you'll do that quiz. These two quizzes here, you have multiple attempts at doing them. Once you get into the course, Module 1, Tips and Strategies and on, you are limited to 2 attempts. So you want to make sure that you do your best work with that. Now, and last but not least, if you have any questions or concerns, always use your private discussions. So remember, once you've done your announcements, once you've looked at these announcements, you go to your content and you open your content and you start on the very first content page. Clearly reading what you need to do is the key to successfully working through our course. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to use your private discussions. Thank you and have a great day.